That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia Whanganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
E te iwi nei mai haere mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga a whakāta Māori ka mihi ki ngā maunga ngāwai me ngā ahika o tēnei rohe. Tēnā rā koutou katoa ki ngā kai whakahaere me ngā kai whakataitai he mihi mahana hoki ki a koutou. I te rā nei ki te whiti mai te rā. Fortunately, the sun's come out. You know, it's been a cold week for all of us across Aotearoa, across the motu, engari ki te whiti mai te rā. I te rā nei ko Feilding rawa ko St. John's College, Hatohane. And we'll have a look at our team list. First up from Feilding High School. Number 1, Kingston Ngata. 2, Lucas Goodman. 3, Te Vita Whakawa. Number 4, Alex Wren. Number 5, Dante Brown. Number 6, Lockie Hawker. Number 7, Austin Tunnicliffe. Number 8, Taine Anapu Burke. Number 9, Joe Bieza. Number 10, Tuharakia Wallace McLeod. Number 11, Jack Nagel. Number 12, Afareti Raka. Number 13, Andre Dickinson. Number 14, Vetaya Kuriapaki. Number 15, Emosi Vukago. Number 16, Alex Brozanen. Number 17, Elias Irie. Number 18, Ben Copsey. Number 19, Formai Viliamu. Number 20, Steely Hammond. Number 21, Yosua Tyrell. Number 22, Vitor Malesilia. Ko Feilding tērā whānau, nā reira ka mauturi mai mo tō koutou whanaunga, tō koutou whanaunga rānei no Feilding High School. Nari anane ki Hatohone, number 1, Jesse Boynton. Number 2, Ali Hewlett. Number 3, Nathan Rogers. Number 4, Sosaya Kofononga. Number 5, J. Morris Lowry. Number 6, Xavier Eagles. Number 7, Quinn Snowden. Number 8, Monu Fihaki. Number 9, Riley Eagles. Number 10, Zach Johnson. Number 11, William Haid. Number 12, Ollie Penfold. At the number 13, Leizau Tevanga. Number 14, Leteru Leilua. Number 15, Cooper Smith. Number 16, Liam Caton. Number 17, Ani Joke Momo. 18, Archie Keeley. Number 19, Elias Perepi. 20, Hunter Pert Bailey. Number 21, Remy Corona. Number 22, Levi Mulder. Nā reira whanako e nei ngā tīma. Mo te rā nei, kia mautonu mai, a wawe nei, ka tima tātou tātou kiemu, ngā haka o e nei kapa e rua, o e nei kore e rua, nā reira kia mautonu mai whanau, ka tima tātou nei kiemu, a wawe nei. Arere te whānau na makuri mai ki tēnei kēmu, Whanganui a Feilding rawa ko hato hone St. John's College all the way from Kirikiri roa. Reira moera whānau katai anō ka tai mai I te rā nei. We'll have a look at our teams list whānau. For Feilding, number 1, Kingston Ngata. Number 2, Lucas Goodman. Number 3, Te Vita Whakawa. Number 4, Alex Wren. Number 5, Dante Brown. Number 6, Lockie Hawker. Number 7, Austin Tunnicliffe. Mai Taine Anapu Burke. Number 9, Joe Biaza. Number 10, Tuharakia Wallace McLeod. Number 11, Jack Nagel. Number 12, Alifareti Raka. Number 13, Andre Dickinson. Number 14, Betaya Kuriabaki. Number 15, Emosi Bukago. Number 16, Alex Brosnan. Number 17, Elias Irie. Number 18, Ben Copsey. Number 19, for Mai Viliamu. Number 20, Steely Hammond. Number 21, Yosua Tyrell. Number 22, Vito Malesilia. Nā reire kia mihi whānau ko Feilding tērā, a wawe nei ka timata tēnei kēmu, ka titiro tātou ki a hato hone. Mo namatahi mo hato hone ko Jesse Boynton. Number 2, Ali Hewlett. Number 3, Nathan Rogers. Number 4, Sosaya Koifononga. Number 5, J. Morris Rawari. Number 6, Xavier Eagles. Number 7, Quinn Snowden. Number 8, Monu Fihaki. Number 9, Riley Eagles. Number 10, Zach Johnson. Number 11, William Haid. Number 12, Ollie Penfold. Number 13, Aizal Tevanga. Number 14, Leteru Leilua. Number 15, Cooper Smith. 16, Liam Caton. Number 17, Anijioke Momo. Aroha mai ina he tērā. Number 18, Archie Keeley. Number 19, Elias Pedipi. Number 20, Hunter Pearl Bailey. Number 21, Oremi Corona. Number 22, Levi Maura. Nā reira whānau kia mautori mai, ka timata tēnei kēmi o Whanganui I nei kapa e rua. Wawe nei, ka timata tātou me ngā haka. Nā reira kia mautori mai, noho ki reira e te whānau. Ka pai ke te hare mai, te tīma. Slowly making their way onto the field. Is Feilding. Anō ko tēnei te kēmu whakamotunga. This is our final game of the season. Both teams have had great seasons, shown a lot of resilience over the season, so a lot of respect to these young men. It's not easy. Again, it wouldn't be our national game if it was easy. So a lot of respect to these young men. What they've been able to achieve this season, win or lose. Nā nei, ka te haere mai a hato hone. St. John's slowly making their way onto the field now. lot of respect between these two teams. Again, Taupō, St. John's, very resilient team. It showed a lot of heart this season. So a lot of respect to these orangatahi, these young men as well. Ngari ka tīmata tātou I ngā haka I te tuatahi ne. Ceremonial aspect of our game, laying down our hats. Mō ngā kai tākaro o ōmoa. Return there by Feilding. Both teams gone through their preparation, be ready to put it all out there. Ngari ka tīmata ngā haka I nei nei. That doesn't get you fired up, okay, find out. I don't know what will. Just want to let the tension breathe just a little bit. I don't know what the haka adds to our game, but it adds something, and we saw that last night with the Warriors game. For those who watched it, just adds that extra element. I don't know if it's tension, I don't know if it's passion, I don't know if it's fire, but it's something whānau, and those were two great hakas from these two teams, Feilding and Taupō, St. John's College, all the way from Kirikiriroa. Nā reira, kia mautonu mai whānau. Very soon we will be starting a lot of young talent on both sides.
Guys, you've got a match ball? When you go down there. Oh, yeah. There should be a match ball somewhere.
Both sides will be looking to start strongly and earn that momentum.
No, they got one.
Plenty of attacking talent on both sides of the squad. Fielding will kick off. And we're on the way for no. Both sides keen to make that early statement. Big boot. Kicked out, unfortunately, ke te pai o waka haere tonu. Our first line out for the day. Fielding with it. Nice pass picked up by Fielding, very close now to their try line. Positive sign for them early on. Te ka hoki o enei rangatahi. Strong carry straight into the defensive line. Nice pass out wide. Finding those holes of defense out to the wing. Strong run taken down by Taupō though. Me hara ke te pai e hoa ka haere tonu. Fielding will get the kick here. Fielding very close now to their line. I don't care nei ngā kemi whakamatunga. These are the final games of the season. Fielding with it, picked it up, nice catch. Try to bust through the defense. Patience will be important here. Plenty of time on the clock. Asking those early questions of the defensive line of Taupō. Can they hold on? Ka kiti ai te tātou ne. Botswana Alifereti Raka with it. Takes it around, lays it down. Beautiful mahi there by number 12, Alifereti Raka no Fielding. Points early on, e rima ki te kore. 3 minutes I naine ko pahi. Very strong start there by Fielding. We see if you can't turn that 5 to a 7. Ka kite a tātou mina ka tini tera. Rima ki te whitu. Karawe. Strong start here by Fielding, 7-0. Taupō will look to respond ka kite a Taupō. Ka hia rātau ki te whakatū I nai nei. But Fielding with it. Rami ke Alifereti Raka. Big boot over the top. Fielding doing a good job keeping the ball moving. Exactly what you want to see. But I can feel the intensity here from both sides as Fielding kick it off. Getting closer and closer to the try line, doing a good job of maintaining their position. Taupō, just a few errors here and there early on, but we're still early days, lots of time left in this game. But Fielding slowly getting into that rhythm now. Doing a great job of support play, not leaving their teammates isolated. line out here for fielding. Rima minisi e nai nei, ko pahi. Picked up nicely by fielding. Hatohone doing a good job to get in there, not making it easy. Amehehara. Our first scrum of the afternoon. This is where we get to see the physical part of this game. Who has the more physical and strong team? That's what some say. Some say it's a skill. Some say it's brute force. Nice pass there on the inside. Nice tackle though by Feilding. Good communication there. Hatohone with it now. Trying to break through the line of defense by Feilding. Brickle right now. Mehehara. Feilding will get the ball back. Nice mahi here by Feilding. They'll get the kick as well. As we approach the 7-minute mark. Anō whitu ki te kore I nai nei e whitu miniti ko pahi. Line out here for Feilding. Right smack bang in the middle. Very close there by Feilding, but picked up by Hatohone. Mehehara ke te pai e hoa maka haere tonu. Just a little bit off in the execution there. They'll be a little disappointed, but they got plenty of time to respond again. It's a game of momentum, and momentum can shift at any point. Second scrum of the evening, of the afternoon rather. Picked up by Hatohone St. John's. Strong tackle there. Goes for the chip and chase. Clear error there, picked up by the refs nicely. It's number 10 for St. John's, I believe, Zach Johnson. Hopefully he's all good. Very close now to the try line is St. John's. An opportunity here to respond to some early adversity and swing momentum in their way. A lot of bodies here in the ruck, but picked up by Feilding and a boot over the top. Now it's a race for the ball. And a race back, picked up by Feilding though. Looking for that strong run. Nicely tackled right down by the sideline. Very close now is Feilding to the try line, but an error ke te pai e hoa ka haere tonu. Whiwhia Hatohone te pōro ki konei.
Well done, Jack.
Whanganui doesn't change the good work they've done. Feilding still playing well as we reach the 10-minute mark of the afternoon. On it here for Hatuhone St. John's. Starting to see this game open up now. Me he hara ki te pai oha ka haere tonu. Feilding will play it quickly. Looking for those holes in defense now, very close. And they're over. They're over. Beautiful mahi here by Feilding. Great start here. White Feilding. It's number 15 for Feilding, I believe. Ihimosi Vukago. Ngamihi Kiaya. Feilding off to a good start, but still anybody's game as we reach the 11-minute mark. Beautifully made, ka tini tira, tikau mārua, ki te tikau mawha. Tata ki te tikau mārua miniti e nane ko pahi, tikau mawha, ki te kore, ko whiti mai te rā, ai aha te makauriri, o te motu I tēnei wiki. Ke te karakia mo te raumati e tahi, engari, ke te whiti mai te rā I te rānei. Hatuhone will kick it off, nice square, nice high kick, picked up by Feilding, I believe. Engari he hara, ka whiwhia Hatuhone I te poro, be a line out here. A scrum rather. Great opportunity here for Hatuhone St. John's to respond to some early adversity and swing that momentum. Strong scrum there by Feilding. Chip and chase, very close now. Gets the ball down. Ref says knock on. Gets it by Hōmaka haere tonu. Fourth scrum of the afternoon. Both sides not willing to give an inch in the scrum, where we see the physical part of this game. Feilding doing a great job to defend their line, as we could see Hatuhone very close there to scoring, but Feilding just holding on, not making it easy. Big boot over the top, picked up by number 14, Luteru Leilua. Trying to break through their defense now with Hatuhone. Hatuhone not afraid to play disciplined and physical. Just trying to break through their Feilding defensive line, but Feilding not making it easy. Great pass there by Hatuhone. Breaks through the attack. Breaks through the defense, rather. But Feilding straight back onto it. Phase after phase here for St. John's. Te kahoki o ine ragatahi. St John's being very disciplined here. Engari he hara ke te pai oho maka haere tonu. Real battle developing in the middle of the park now. Feeling we get the kick in the line out, just past the halfway mark. Picked up nicely by Feilding. It's been a lively opening quarter here again. Feilding doing a great job. Move their momentum as Hastings here get the ball as Feilding knock it on. Ke te pai hoa maka haere tonu. Both teams starting to settle into their patterns now. Get another scrum here. Ko hato hone I nei. And a knock on there by Hato Hone ke te pai o maka haere tonu. All good young man, one era doesn't change. The game, still plenty of game left. As we 17 minutes now, just a little under 17 minutes. Scrum here for Hato Hone.
Massive hole here, massive hole here.
Number 9 for Feilding, Joe Beerzer will lay the ball in. Trying to quickly attack, but Hato Hone straight onto it. Trying to break through that defense, Hato Hone right there, but breaking through a few.
Two stars!
Taken down by Hato Hone again, doing a good job to keep that defense. But Feilding playing that ball very quickly now.
Again.
Finds his way through. Taken down. Pitabai Huaka haere tonu. Number 13 here for Feilding. Andre Dickinson passes the ball, gets it down. Beautiful mahi, picked up by Imosi Vikago. Feilding really building on that momentum now. Takoma Iwa ki te kore. Ka kite a tātou mena ka tini tērā. Takoma Iwa ki te rotuka matahi nā reira kia mautoru mai mo te whana. We'll see if we can't turn that 19 to a 21. Stay tuned for the kick. Imosi Vikago. Feilding doing a great job just to build on that early momentum they started with. St John's doing a great job to defend, but just leaving a little bit of gaps and Feilding capitalising. Gets the kick beautiful mai here, Rotuka Matahi, ki te kore, nā reira whanau. Feilding getting off to a great start here. 20 minutes. We've gone past Rotuka Minisi, ki te toi mo tēnei wahanga o te tēmu. Whanganui ina kapa e roa, inei kore e roa. You can see the beautiful mountains in the back.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Kei te whiti mai tērā. It's a great day. Big boot to kick us off again. Picked up by Feilding nicely. Nice pass on the inside. Strong run here by Feilding. Mehara ke te pae waka haere toru. Picked up quickly here by Hataone. Ref's getting a bit of a workout as well. But just a little bit off on the pass. Pass the ball out. Ke te pae waka haere toru. Feilding will get the ball back here. Should get the ball back, I should say. Again, Hataone maybe just need to settle some of the nerves. And again, ko tēnei te ke mu whakamutunga. Our final game of the season. Big boot over the top for Feilding. Out on the full, ke te pae waka haere toru. Line out here for Hataone, very close to their try line. Good position for them. Mehara ke te pae waka haere tonu. Figured about the quick tap and go. Nice pass on the inside. And the boot over the top. In a race with the ball, but picked up by Hataone. Nice run here. Pulled down. Feilding did a great job on the defense. Mehara ke te pae waka haere tonu. St. John's should get the kick here. In the line out. Be a great position for them and an opportunity to answer and build on some momentum as we get into the final 20 of this half. We can see some of the confidence starting to grow here in Hataone. Picked up nicely by St. John's. Tricky play there. Mehara ke te pae waka haere tonu. Picked up quickly by Feilding again. Feilding not coming to play. Coming to win. Ball change in the ruck. Picked up by Hataone now. Ball slipped but nicely recovered. Engari here had a knock-on, says the ref. Ke te pae waka haere tonu. Feilding will get it back. Been a bit of an arm wrestle in this past 10 minutes. Again, Feilding getting off to that good start, but confidence starting to grow on St. John's side. One big moment by St. John's could change and really open up this game. Taupō with it now. Strong tackle there. Might be a bit too strong, says the ref. Kei te pai o hoa ka haere tonu. He calls over the captain. Gets the yellow card. We set him for 10 minutes. Kei te pai o hoa ka haere tonu. It's a bit too much on the tackle. Kick and a line out coming for Hatohone again. This will be a good opportunity for St. John's to build on some momentum. As we get into the final 10, 15 rather, of this half. Picked up nicely by St. John's. Engari he hara ki te pai o a ka haere tonu. Big bird over the top by Feilding. Nice little chip and chase on, but picked up by Feilding nicely. And then try line. Oh, an opportunity here, and goes for the chip and chase. A lot of attackers, but nice to get the ball off. Again, that support play coming in clutch here for St. John's, and an opportunity here to run away with a try, looking for a support player, finds him. Gets it down. Beautiful mahi here. Hatohone are on the board. Rima Kiteru Tukamatai again. That was a tough try. Amazing effort there by all the players. Just the support players coming through, finding those gaps, getting the ball out to the wing, passing it. Hatohone are on the board. Rima Kiteru Tukamatai. That's Archie Keeley. Nice kick, makes it 7. The deficit is 14. He tata ki te mutunga o tēnei wāhanga and what's been a very tough game against 7-21. A very hard fought try there by St. John's. Very impressed with those rangatahi and the support play. Getting the ball to the support players and finding those holes in the defense. Great job there by Hatohone, but Feilding again still in the lead, 21-7 as we reach almost to the 30-minute mark. Number 10 then, Harakia Wallace McLeod will kick it off for Feilding. Mehehara, opportunity here for Feilding to respond. Approaching the halfway point of this game. There's still plenty to play for. Still anybody game, 21-7 as we reach the 30-minute mark. Feilding now very close to their try line as they get the line out. Work rate by both of these teams has been excellent this afternoon. Tap and go, says the ref. Very close now to the try line. Can they bust through and get it over? And they do. Beautiful mahi here by Feilding. Just finding those holes in the defence and just busting through. Taupō Ma'ORI. Ma'ORI, pardon me. 26-7 as we reach the 31-minute mark. 9 minutes left in this half. Very nicely done there. Makes it beautiful, mate. Taupō Ma'ORI ki te whatu I nei, the deficit is 21.
Come on, boys.
But still anybody's game. Again, still a whole half of rugby coming up. Cool. Kick-off here by Hastings. Slipped through the hands of the fielding players. Picked up by St. John's. Again, a good opportunity here for them to respond. Trying to find that support play on the inside. Can't find it. Gets a play or Haere Town. Haere Tonu. Nice little pass on the inside. Very close now. It's St. John's. Yeah, just a little bit of a slip through the hands. Gets a play or Haere Tonu knock on. Feilding will get it back. Again, the work rate by both of these teams this afternoon has been excellent. Been a really enjoyable contest so far. Feilding just building on their momentum though. Doing a great job this arvo. Ngāri ki te timata, te kēmu, ki te huakina, ki te tātou a wawene. The big bit of it's up by Feilding. Out on the full. Go to Baiohoka, Haere Tonu. Coming up here on the final 5 minutes of this quarter, the half rather.
Tell the forwards they have to match us. They've got the yellow card. We don't have to match them with some.
Feilding with the line out. Knocked out nicely by Hastings. Again, an opportunity here, very close now to their try line in their half of the field. We want to put some more points on the board before we go to the sheds. Me harawa e hoa, ka haere tonu, ki te pai. Kicking a line out here for Hastings, close to their try line and close to the end of this first half. Again, a game of momentum. any point now this game could shift. See, ngā mihi kia koe e hoa, thank you for go to get the ball. Nicely picked up by St. John's. Execution will be key here, very close now to the try line. And a slip through the hands, gets it by Wakaare tonu. Knock on, says the ref. Feilding will get it back. Both teams doing an excellent job in the scrums. This Arvo, not a lot of breakdowns in the scrum. See the skills getting better as the season goes on by all of our teams. Beautiful run here by Feilding, just busting through the defense. Ke te pana, engari, he hara. Ka whiwhia hato hone I te poro. 37 minutes now have gone by. Ka hato hone I te poro.
Large cook. Ali, you all right?
Kicking a line out here for Hasselhorne before we head to the sheds. Both teams showing plenty of character this Arvo. Karawe te mahi o e nei kapa e rua I te ahe hai nei. Gets through the hands but picked up. Knock on, says the ref, gets it by a waka haere tonu. Ko tērā tātou mo tēnei wānga. O tēnei kia mū rutika mā waru ki te whatu kia mautaru mai whānau awaru nei te wahanga whakamutunga o tēnei kia mū ko Feilding rawa ko Hasselhorne. Kia mautaru mai.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others getting involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home. Every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, all together better.
Action! You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nā mahuti mai whānau ki tēnei kemi I Whanganui e nei kapa e rua ko te rotaka naubaru ki te whitu ko Feilding. Rawa ko St. John's hatohone no kirikiri roa pe te whiti mai te rā ka kiti a tātou I ngā maunga ki reira. It's been a cold week across the motu, but the sun has come out for this game. You'd love to see it. Strong tactical battle between these two teams. You'd love to see it. Feilding, though, building on that momentum and taking the lead 28-7. St. John's, though, scored a very hard-fought try. A lot of support players, again, just having a bit of trouble with the execution. Engari, still plenty of time left in this game. And time to win. Both sides have shown plenty of attacking intent, be some really good carry, strong defence, and some excellent skills on display by the rangatahi from St. John's and Feilding. Again, scoreline might favour Feilding, but certainly plenty of rugby still to be played, still 40 minutes there. Challenge now is to come with that same intensity for Feilding. And for St. John's to build on their momentum from that first try. Despite the scoreboard rather, still anybody's game, still very close as we get underway here for the second half. This is where that fitness and composure comes in the clutch. Beautiful pick up there by Feilding. Line out here for Hatohone. Good opportunity for them to respond to some adversity early on, but a great opportunity here to build and put on some points. Nice pick up there by Hatohone. A lot of bodies in the ruck there. A lot of bodies in the ruck there. It's by a whakahaere tonu. Bodies on top of bodies. Again, if this is an easy game, it wouldn't be our game. Scrum here. An opportunity for fielding. Breakdown of the scrum, kei te pai o ka haere tonu. You feel the tension building around the grounds or on the field. Picked up there by Feilding, but it's taken straight down, gets his way up, beautiful mahi there, me he hara, kei te pai o ka haere tonu. A yellow card there for Hatohone. Kicking a line out here for Feilding as we reach the 3-minute mark of the second half, 28-7. Number 7 there, Austin Tunnicliffe for Feilding will pass it in. Picked up by Hatohone though. And a big boot over the top. Best scrum smack bang in the middle of the field. Opportunity here for Feilding to run away with it.
They got to drop one out. Too many in the scrum. We have to drop one out, mate.
Nicely picked up by Feilding. Feilding with it, trying to crash through. A tough pickup, a tough pass, but he makes it. Beautiful mahi there by Feilding. Again, their composure coming in clutch. And a kick over the top. And the chase. And a knock on. Gets by Hoa Kahari Sonu. Hatohone will get it back here now. Scrum here for Hatohone.
See here, time. Theta.
Good communication there from the players. Both teams continue to work hard off the board. Defensive line's been tested for Arvo. Getting some tired legs out there now.
No, we don't need to. We're okay. We're all coming back up.
Down on the full gets away. Kahare Tonu line out here. Number 2. Feilding will pass it in. Lucas Goodman. Picked up nicely there by Feilding. Taupō doing a good job on the defense, not making it easy. Feilding not being able to break through, but finding those defensive gaps, but taken down by St. John's. Beautiful tackle there. And the boot over the top. Taupō.
That's okay. We're okay. We wasted it. Good boy, Jay. Steady. We're not chasing. Steady. We're not chasing. Neither one. There's Vitor going up for.
Lucas Goodman will throw the ball back in as the line out. Picked up nicely by Feilding. Going to run away with it, trying to. St. John's trying to find the defense, and they pick it up. Beautiful mahi there by Taupō as he's dragged to the ground. Yeah, Haidaki Konde, ref talking to them. Settling the tension. Tensions are high. 28-7 as we reach the just under the 9-minute mark now. Be a kick in the line out here for Feilding. Again, conditions not too bad this Arvo. Sun is shining despite one of the coldest weeks in the country's history. Feilding here with the line out. Picked up nicely, very close now to the try line. Again, no tries scored in this second half just yet. Perhaps the greatest opportunity, the best opportunity of the half so far. Again, bodies on top of bodies in the ruck here. Feilding now very close to their try line. But a boot over the top by St. John's. Picked up nicely. Engari he hara, kei te pai hoa ka haere toru. Feilding will get it back now. Should get it back, I should say. Nice catch there by Feilding. moving the ball nicely, finding those support players. Did a good job to hold on to that ball there. Strong tackle. Ref says it's fine. Feilding did a great job to breaking through on the defence, but slip of the hands and a knock on. Kei te pai o hoka haere tonu. Tōna te kau miniti ki te toi mo tēnei kia mo 30 minutes to go as we reach the 11-minute mark. A knock on there by St. John's. Feilding should get the ball back here as we head for another scrum. Been a good contest so far. Both sides continue to work hard. 28-7 to come out of what ngā minute CNI. Breakdown of the scrum. Ki te pai picked up. Should be a quick play here for Feilding. And it is. Trying to break through that defence. Find those goals in the defence. Hatāone not making it easy though. Can he break through? Gets it down. Beautiful mahi here though by Feilding. Tōru te kau mātoru. Ki te whitu nei, number 15 for Feilding, Imosi Vukago will kick it. Still plenty of time on the clock. Just over 20 minutes. And that intensity remains high. Great fitness here by both of these teams. Imosi Vukago for Feilding will kick it. Hits the side post. Ki te pai o hoka haere tonu. Remains 33-7. Feilding will want to maintain that pressure. Slow things down. Good boot there by Hatāone. St. John's straight away on the attack, defence rather, picked up by Hatāone. Opportunity now for St. John's. Very close to their try line. Taken down. Again, Hatāone just looking for those holes in defence, but Feilding did a great job of maintaining that pressure, that defensive pressure. Kick here for Hatāone in the line out. Te kau mārima miniti I nei o tēnei wāhanga tuarua. Tōru te kau mātoru ki te whitu Hatāone rāua ko Feilding. Hatāone rawa ko te ingoa Māori mo Feilding ko te aorangi. Aorangi rānei. Ia ki e tahi. Ke te haru kua te whānau me tērā. The scrum here, both teams did a great job in this scrum today. Only a few breakdowns in our scrums. You can see the skills of these players have gotten better and better over the season. Started off good, finishing great. This is our final game of the season. Te Te Kiwi Whakamutunga. Feilding now with it. And a big boot over the top. Out on the full, I believe. Ke te pae hoa maka haere tonu hato hone. We'll get it off. Line out here for hato hone, trying to move quickly. Time is not their friend. Strong push through the defense, but Feilding right there. Chip of the chase. Picked up nicely by Feilding. Gets the ball off and a kick over the top. And it will be out on the full. Ke te pae hoa ka haere tonu. Line up here for hato hone. So the reserves come in. Ke te pae hoa number 21 for hato hone. Kaya Jones. Kaya Jones with it. Again, hato hone looking for those holes in the defense, but Feilding just too good. St. Johnson with it now. Good opportunity for the... Oh, it's a little bit of a slip through the hands. But he gets it down into a ruck. Trying to get it over the top. He makes it beautiful. Mai here. Hato hone again. Tikoma Rua. Be a difficult kick here from near the try line. Sideline rather. Yes, indeed. Finish strong, boys.
Wow.
The scrum here for this Arpo. Both teams doing a great job in this scrum. Very. Matamata pass the ball in. They get it, beautiful Mahi here. St. John's passing that ball around, but St. John's almost with the intercept. Knocked on. Kei te pai hoa ka haere tonu. Another scrum here in the middle of the field. Again, both teams playing very physically this Savo. A lot of respect for these rangatahi. Mehara Hatohoni will get the ball back. Beautiful mahi here for... And a quick tap and go. Hatohoni in their half of the field now. Again, could they pull off the comeback? 12-33. Nice job to get the ball out to the support player. St. John's. Nice passing here by Hatohone, building some ground. Beautiful. May be a kick here for St. John's in the line out. It's quick tap and go, rather. You hear some of the frustration in the crowd. Again, o te rate araha o te kia move. That's just the passion for the game. You love to see it. Love to see the whānau come out to sport there. Whanaunga, Tamaiti, whānau rānei. St. John's, despite being down and doing a good job, being patient, waiting for their right opportunity. Line out here for St. John's. Hatohone, just a slip through their hands, but picked up again. Knock on, says the ref. It's the right call. Fiore will get the ball back. He gets a pai o homa ka haere tonu. Number o te kau. But more Hatohone. Ko Hunter. Piet. Bailey tira. Ngā mi ki a koe e wā. Hei a te hea hara. Hei a te hea ka haere tonu. Rua te kau mā toru ngā meneti. Rua te kau mā whā ngā meneti aroha mai. Ko Feilding e naini. Good run here by Feilding. Great run here by Feilding. But stolen by St. John's. Beautiful mai here by Rangate. Thought about the kick for it otherwise. Penalty. Hatohone with the kick in the line out. Oh, quick tap and go, rather. Beautiful job, yeah, by Hatohone, number 17. Trying to find a defensive play. Makes it number 20 for St. John's. Number 20, Hunter. Piet Bailey for St. John's. Again, can they pull up the upset? There's still a lot of time on the clock. Te kaumā whitu ki te toru, te kaumā toru. Difficult kick here for St. John's. Number 12 for St. John's will kick it. Ollie Penfold. makes it over as it hits the upright. Beautiful mahi there by St. John's. Tikau mā iwa, ki se toru tikau mā toru. Tikau mā ono ngā miniti I naine, tikau mā iwa, ki te toru tikau mā toru, hato hone rawa ko te aorangi. Again, time is not hato hone's friend. Out on the full, ke te pai hoa, ka haere tonu. Kick. And the line out here, close to the try line. For Hato Hone St. John's, all the way from Kirikiriroa, Hamilton. Into the final 15 now, and this is where the game really starting to open up. 19-33. Ooh. Head high, says the crowd. Ref lets it go. Advantage, says ref. Mehihara ke te pai. Quick tap and go for Hato Hone. Finding those holes in the defence, but Feilding drag him to the ground. Very close now to the try line. Hato Hone with an opportunity here. Again, St. John's not going away, maintaining position for a lot of this half. Strong run here, and just as a slip through the hands, picked up by Feilding, but dragged out. Advantage, knock on for Feilding, says the ref. Final, coming up to the final 10. This is where composure becomes so important. Every carry, every tackle, every decision matters from here. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Hato Hone, again, maintaining their composure despite being down. They should be very proud of themselves, playing very hard this arvo. But Feilding just done a great job on execution. Good scrum there by the boys, picked up by Feilding. Trying to break through that defence. Feilding moving that ball around. Can't get away from the defence. Trying to slam through. Great tackle there by St. John's. Kick over the top, and it'll go out of the full ki te pai a waka haere tonu. Te kaunga miniti ki te toi I naine. Just a little over 10 minutes to go now. Kicking a line out here for Feilding. Line out here for Feilding, very close to the try line. Opportunity for them to put some more points on the scorecard. Again, this is our final game of the season. Respect to a lot of these rangatahi. Went for the chip and the chase, but the ball goes out. Ki te pai hoka haere tonu. Hato Hone will maintain position. Most likely, I should say. Picked up nicely there by Feilding. Did a great job to move the ball around. Strong run here. Crashing through the defense, but fit Taupō dragging him down. Lots of bodies in the ruck now. FAHS is down. Strong tackle there by Taupō. Feilding trying to build some momentum here as we head into the final minutes of what's been a very hard-fought game in arm wrestle.
Austin, 3.
Both sides showing plenty of character here. Great work rate from both sides this Harvo. To really feel the intensity lifting now as we come up into the final minutes. Both teams throwing everything into the attack. But both teams on their defense doing a great job. Good job there by Feilding. So they make the penalty kick 36-19. Tōru te kaumā ono ki te kaumā iwa I naine. Me tōru te kaumā tōru ngā miniti. Ko pahi I naine. Picked up nicely there by St. John's. They want that final try before we head home. Bodies on top of bodies in the ruck here. Let's be careful. St. John's moving that ball around, trying to find that hole in the defence. Finds a support player. Advantage St. John's. Me hara ki te pai hoa ka haere tonu. Both teams put in a really impressive performance today, 19-36. Credit to both sides for the effort they shown. About 5 more minutes left in this game. Whanau kia mau toru mai. Quick tip and go there by Taupō. Ko Taupō I naine. Trying to crash through. Very close up. I've got a good opportunity here for St. John's, and they get it down. Beautiful made there by St. John's. As they get it down. Ko tai tautu ki te rongo I ngā whānau ki te umere mai, ngāri ko tērā te aroha mo te ke mūrua te kaumā whā ki te tōru te kaumā ono. Kick very close now to the post. Te kaumā rima for Taupō. One Cooper Smith kick it, makes it. Lutukama Ono, 10-point deficit, not a lot left in this game. You can hear the crowd now getting behind their teams. Coming up on the final minutes, picked up by St. John's. Beautiful mahi there by our Rangatahi, trying to crash through. Feilding not making it easy. Nice hidden pass. Yeah, it'll be a knock on. Gets it by Huaka Haere Tonu. Double knock on, says Ref. Minutes now, 36-26. Again, St. John's doing a great job to maintain their composure and stay in this game. Feilding doing a great job to execute and building on that early momentum. Opportunity here for Feilding, but taken down by Taupō. Taupō defense great today, and that'll be us whānau. Karaweta mahi o e nei rangatahi I te rā nei. Torutukama ono ki te ruatukama. Torutukama ono ki te ruatukama ono 36-26. Feilding take the win. Massive respect to St. John's again, maintaining composure despite being down, trying to call their way back. Nevertheless, a lot of respect to these rangatahi I te rā nei. No reira, ko oti wā mātou mahi I te rā nei ki ngā kai whakahaere me ngā kai whakatātai. Kia haumari te haere, tēnā koutou katoa, ko tūhona mai ki tēnei wōtaka, noho oro mai.